It's the final brain cell. You say, put them on your head. Ay, mi amor, ay, mi amor. You make me un poco loco, un poquitito loco. The way you keep me guessing, I'm nodding and I'm yesing. I'll count it as a blessing. I was in the 3rd grade. People treated me like a criminal because I killed somebody.
Do you ever look at someone and wonder what is going on inside their head?
I'm a potato. And there's nothing that's gonna stop me from being a potato.
I just have one question. Do you know what a pain in the ass is?
Yeah.
Are you a pain in the ass?
Yeah.
Nice to know ya, let's do it again. How we did it on a one night stand. I think I'm losing my mind, trying to stay inside the lines.
And it went like no more. I wanna but I'm broken hearted. Cry, but I like to party. Touch, but I got nobody here on my own. I wanna
see me do my dance in these $1,000 pants. Don't disrespect me and my mans. Bam, whole lot of choppers on your ass. Scram, we just putting dollars on your head. This ass nigga gave his mama to the feds. Little brother, big brother, solid got the dress.
So no, I don't want your number, no. I don't wanna give you mine, and no. I don't wanna meet you nowhere, no. I don't want none of your time, and no.
Got the people saying, Brooklyn saying,
Just did a good thing. I don't regret this thing at all. And you're wondering what it is. I'll tell you what I did a good thing.
I just wanna see, I just wanna see how beautiful you are.
I got guns in my head and they won't go.
Spirits in my head and they won't go.
I got guns in my head and they won't go.
Spirits in my head and they won't go.
Hey, tough guy. You got your own bed. Why aren't you in it? Huh?
Él no va a hacer nada. Si lo pillo por la calle dice, brum. Si lo pillo por la disco dice, brum. Si lo pillo por el área dice, brum, 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 brum. Si lo...
He is so happy with the weight bag. Talk about a fun little exercise for a male goat.
now you're staring at something. What the heck? Really? A frog in the house?
Leo, were you playing all by yourself this morning? For like 2 hours? And then I came and gave you food? I did? Is it time for you to sleep now? Sleepy time? Okay, take a nap then. Take a nap. It's okay, take a nap, get comfortable.
If cat not demon, why have glowing eyes? If cat not silverware, why in drawer? If cat have bones, why so bendy? Tell me that.
I'm a new soul. I came to this strange world hoping I could learn a bit about how to give and take. But since I came here, felt the joy and the fear, finding myself making every possible mistake. La la la.
I had a lot of things to do today, but you know what I did instead? I took a nap. It was a very good nap. That email, I took a nap. The Zoom call, I took a nap. What about your lunch plan? I took a nap. How's
If cats no want attention, why they have soft paws? If cats no want belly rub, why cats lay on back? If cats no want toe beans touched, why toe beans exist? Tell me that.
Tell you to run. Know what to say about the young. Pick me up with golden hands. I'm gonna see you. I'm gonna tell you to run. Know what to say about the young. Well, I would like to hold my little hand. And it's the final brain cell.
You should be medicated. Fuck you, Brennan. I know you touched my drum set, and I want to hear that dirty little mouth admit it. You get out of my face, or I'm gonna roundhouse your ass. You swear on your mom's life that you didn't touch it then. I don't have to swear to